Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're struggling to log into your Shopify account, you're definitely not alone. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix common Shopify login problems, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to resolve those frustrating login issues, get back into your admin dashboard, and keep your store running smoothly. Let's jump right into it. First things first, try heading over to your Shopify admin page, just like you normally would when logging in. Sometimes, login problems can be as simple as a typo in your email or password, or maybe your internet connection dropped for a moment. Double-check those basics. Make sure you're on the official Shopify site, that's shopify.com, and watch for any browser autofill quirks that might be sneaking in an old password without you noticing. But if you're still having issues, maybe you're getting an error message that says your details don't match, or you just can't remember your password this time. Let's tackle that together. Shopify makes it pretty straightforward to reset your credentials. Look for the Forgot Your Password link right there on the Shopify login page. Click it and enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Shopify will send you an email with a secure link to reset your password. It might take a minute or two for the email to arrive, and don't forget to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. When you click the reset link, you'll be able to set a new password. Go for something strong but memorable, and maybe jot it down in a safe place or use a password manager, since keeping track of all your logins can be tricky these days. If you've reset your password but still can't log in, don't worry. There are a couple more steps we can try before reaching out to Shopify support. Next up, let's clear your browser cache. Your cache is basically your browser's short-term memory. It stores website data to help load pages faster, but sometimes old or corrupted cache data can interfere with logging in properly. Clearing it is easy. Depending on your browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, you'll typically find the option in your settings under Privacy or History. Select Clear Browsing Data and make sure to include cached files. This part might take a few moments, and you'll likely be signed out of other websites, so be ready to log back into things like email and social media afterwards. Once your cache is clear, try logging back into Shopify. This simple fix often solves a surprising number of website issues. Still no luck? There's one more common culprit: browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, password managers, or privacy add-ons can sometimes interfere with the login process, blocking scripts or changing how the Shopify site loads. Try disabling extensions, at least temporarily, then refresh the Shopify login page and give it another shot. Don't worry. You can re-enable your favorite extensions once you're safely logged in. And that's it. 3 proven solutions to fix Shopify login problems so you can get back to business. If you found this walkthrough helpful or you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments below. I check those regularly and I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to like this video, and if you want more practical tutorials just like this one, hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and best of luck managing your Shopify store.